Hi, I'm Michelle. Today we're going to talk about how to release tight neck and shoulder muscles for good. Now, have you had the problem where you repeatedly need to get treatment for getting tight neck and shoulders? You get your treatment, you have to go back, it feels great, but you have to go back then a couple of days later to get treated again and the neck gets tight again. Today I'm going to show you a couple of simple exercises to get some permanent relief and to overcome this typical problem of being tight through this area of your neck and shoulders all the time. So I'm going to talk about a couple of exercises, and they're really simple exercises you can start doing at home or in the gym for these muscles that we need to look at. Let's get started. Okay, so before we start, I just need you to bear with me for a moment so I can show you which muscles you're working and why. So this is a poster of the superficial or outer back muscles, and you can see in the purple here these muscles. These are called your trapezius muscles. Now there's three parts to these muscles and you need to know about all of them to properly address this problem. There's the upper trapezius, and these muscles go from the back of the shoulder blade and they attach up here into the back of the neck. These upper traps here lift your shoulders and roll them forwards, so they're really good at creating neck pain. The middle traps actually squeeze the shoulder blades together, and the lower traps here actually pull the shoulders back and down. So these top muscles, the upper traps, work against the lower traps. So you can see the solution, or the permanent solution to this problem, is to strengthen the middle and lower traps so that they can oppose these upper traps. So we're going to be working at these muscles here, working down and back and counteracting these muscles pulling up too tightly. So let me show you the exercises to actually permanently fix this problem. Okay, so as I said at the outset, you can do these exercises at home or in the gym. You don't even need any equipment. I'm going to lie down on my tummy to show you the position to start working those middle and lower traps. Now these are really basic beginner's exercises to getting these muscles started. Lying down on your tummy, and I'm going to use a pillow underneath my pelvis. You might like to do that at home or in the gym as well, or something to lift your pelvis, particularly if your back curves in a long way. So it actually stops that large inward curve in your lower back. So lying down in this position, coming down. Now your forehead needs to be in contact with the ground, your arms are down, and your palms are facing downwards. So I'm in that position. Now your head stays in contact with the ground during the whole exercise. The first exercise is to pull the shoulders away from the ears. Now can you try that at home or wherever you are? Head down, pull the shoulders away from your ears, and that actually starts to activate those lower trapezius muscles I was showing you on the diagram earlier. Now, second step is pull your shoulders away from your ears, squeeze your shoulder blades together and lift your hands just off the ground, and now lower them down slowly and relax. Now you'll readily know if you're doing this incorrectly. If you tend to be tight through your upper traps, this is what you'll do. You'll lift and you'll pull up that way. And that's those muscles at the top there working against the lower ones. So we want to pull the shoulders away from the ears just a little bit. So you're lengthening, you're lifting and you're squeezing and coming down slowly and relaxing. So that's the first thing you can do. Now if you'd like to start progressing that exercise a little bit, you can use a couple of weights, or if you're at home you could use maybe a couple of tin cans out of the cupboard. So I've got, what have I got here? 1 kilo. You could use, start with half a pound, 1 pound. Coming down, but you start with light weights when you're first starting out with this. Don't start with heavy weights. Again, head is down, all right? So I'm going to pull my shoulders away from my ears and just lifting up, squeezing my shoulder blades together. So I'm working my middle and lower traps, and I'm coming down slowly and I'm releasing. Okay, one more time. Squeezing shoulder blades together, pulling away from the ears and lifting up. Not very high, is it? Just a little bit off the ground. Coming back down slowly and releasing and coming back up. So you can see that's starting to strengthen through the middle of the back. Now, I do have an exercise video on stretching out the top muscles. That will give you some temporary relief. You might like to see that, that's in the link below. But otherwise, start on a combination of stretching out those top muscles and strengthening through the middle and the lower back. I really hope today's video helps you start to strengthen and switch off these top muscles, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.